always had a love of law. I was just trying to figure out where my seat would be in that the legal field.
So in college, I was very passionate about racial justice issues, and I wanted to continue with that.
I've always had a passion for equal justice and equal rights.
I've always had a fascination with the law. Started when I was really, really young.
Prior to coming, I was a teacher, so I've always fought for my kids, their ability to succeed. And I felt like law school was just a place for me to continue fighting for those people.
It was actually one of my goals for a long time. My mom used to actually say I was argumentative, so she said that law school would always be great for me. And I had a love for business, so corporate law was where I wanted to go, and that's where I decided to make my niche.
Would come to law school and possibly be able to make some social change in a positive direction.
I chose Cincinnati Law because I think the value of the education is unmatched.
The city is actually really growing. There's a lot of great things going on with the development of Over the Rhine.
Well, I grew up around here. I know that they offer quite a few programs like the Ohio Innocence Project. The professors are great, and I have quite a few mentors here. And I just know that Cincinnati is a booming town, especially for people in my generation. And I'm excited to see where it goes from here.
UC is a phenomenal law school. It's been a place where I've really been able to grow. I've been able to learn the law, master the law, develop the skills necessary to be a great lawyer.
The city has a lot of opportunity for students of color.
The Sixth Circuit is here, 2 federal courts being here. I felt like it was a good place to be able to meet a lot of people and get some connections and begin a good career.
There's all these tons of programs here and amazing clinics.
Here at UC, they have the Center for Race, Gender, and Social Justice, and I applied for the Social Justice Fellowship, and I was awarded the fellowship. So that was really the main reason why I came, was because of the center and the opportunity to continue with racial justice issues.
I've also been involved in a lot of different student organizations, including Latino Law Students Association, If, When, How, the Black Law Students Association.
I'm also president of the Black Law Student Association. With that comes the ability to connect with quite a few lawyers here in the city. We
have a mentorship program in which you are paired with a mentor who's able to help you.
The BLAC, which is the Black Lawyers Association of Cincinnati.
They do a phenomenal job of just connecting young attorneys with firms, with different governmental organizations and things like that.
They also have developed a lot of programs, for example, the roundtable programs here that partner law students with working professionals, Black professionals, and even other professionals throughout the city who are interested in diversity and bringing students of color in.
We also have the LCLD, which is the Legal Council on Legal Diversity.
I'm also a site checker for the Human Rights Quarterly.
I'm also a senior articles editor on the Human Rights Quarterly Journal.
Being here at Cincinnati Law and being in Cincinnati, we're given a lot of opportunities to gain mentors, gain a network of legal professionals in the area. So when we graduate, we're graduating with a network and support.
I'm really good friends with former college basketball player from Texas, as well as a former police officer from Colorado. So there's quite a spectrum of diversity here at the law school. And that's one of the things I love about it, is just that I can have any type of conversation I want, as long as I'm open to new ideas and hearing things from a different perspective. So I really appreciate the diversity here.
Even though I may have been in a class with people who weren't that knowledgeable about racism here in America, I'm part of a smaller community, and I was able to find my niche with the Center for Race, Gender, and Social Justice, so yes, I felt very supported.
I've been able to get a lot of trial experience. I just won a jury trial in the last 2 weeks. I feel that the faculty is incredibly supportive and available to us.
A lot of the faculty members they're definitely there for us.
I think it's one of the hidden gems within the legal education field. It's a great opportunity and a great place to be.
These are literally the best teachers I've ever had. They're accessible, they're brilliant, they're kind, they're genuine legal scholars.